ever wondered how to make the most of your time in one of the world's most romantic cities, Venice, in just 2 days? Well, you're in the right place. Whether you're planning a short getaway or simply curious about this magical city, Venice is full of charm, history, and beauty. With our curated list of the top 20 things to do, you'll experience the best this city has to offer in just 48 hours. Stay tuned because this guide is your ultimate Venice travel hack. Welcome back our channel to Eurotrip Hacks, your ultimate guide to making the most out of your European adventures. From historical landmarks to hidden gems, let's uncover the magic of Venice together. Day 1. Exploring Venice's historical heart. Number 1 Street Marks Basilica, Basilica di San Marco. Let's kick off your adventure with St. Mark's Basilica, one of Venice's most iconic landmarks. As you step into this Byzantine-style church, you'll be greeted by dazzling golden mosaics that adorn its ceilings and walls. These intricate designs tell stories of Venice's rich history and biblical tales. Pro tip: head to the terrace for a stunning panoramic view of St. Mark's Square, which is sure to take your breath away. Number 2. St. Mark's Square, Piazza San Marco. Now that you've seen the Basilica, take some time to stroll through St. Mark's Square, the true heart of Venice. Surrounded by elegant cafes and live music, this piazza is the perfect place to soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Grab a coffee from the iconic Cafe Florian and enjoy the bustling energy as you take in views of the Doge's Palace and St. Mark's Campanile. Number 3. Doge's Palace, Palazzo Ducale. Next up, we have Doge's Palace, a Gothic masterpiece that once housed the rulers of Venice. Inside, you'll find lavish rooms decorated with artwork that tells the story of the Venetian Republic. Don't miss walking across the famous Bridge of Sighs, where prisoners once took their final glimpse of Venice before heading to the dungeons. It's a must-see stop for history lovers. Number 4. The Rialto Bridge, Ponte di Rialto. A short walk from St. Mark's Square will take you to the iconic Rialto Bridge, the oldest and most famous bridge in Venice. Take a moment to enjoy the view of the Grand Canal from the top of the bridge, capturing the postcard-perfect scenery of gondolas and water taxis gliding beneath. The Rialto Bridge is also home to shops selling Venetian glass and jewelry, perfect for a quick souvenir. Number 5. Grand Canal Tour. For an unforgettable Venice experience, hop on a Vaporetto, Venice's water bus, and take a tour of the Grand Canal. This picturesque waterway is lined with historic buildings and stunning palazzos. Whether you choose a Vaporetto or a romantic gondola ride, this is a peaceful way to take in Venice's breathtaking beauty. Number 6. Bridge of Sighs, Ponte dei Sospiri. Before your day comes to a close, visit the Bridge of Sighs once more, this time from the outside. As legend has it, prisoners would sigh at their final view of Venice from this very bridge, knowing their fate. Today, it remains one of the most photographed spots in the city and a reminder of Venice's mysterious history. Number 7. Explore the back streets of Cannaregio. Venture beyond the crowded tourist areas and head to the charming Cannaregio district. This area, known for its narrow alleyways and peaceful canals, offers a more authentic side of Venice. It's also home to Venice's Jewish Ghetto, the oldest in the world. A stroll through this neighborhood provides a quiet retreat from the bustling city. Number 8. Venice's Jewish Ghetto, Ghetto Ebraico di Venezia. While in Cannaregio, take the time to explore the historic Jewish ghetto. Established in the 16th century, this area is filled with rich history and beautiful synagogues. The Jewish Museum of Venice offers an insightful look into the community that once thrived here. It's a meaningful and educational experience, shedding light on a lesser-known part of Venice's past. Number 9. Take a gondola ride. No visit to Venice is complete without a gondola ride through its winding canals. This classic Venetian experience allows you to see the city from a unique perspective, gliding through quiet waterways while admiring the beautiful architecture that surrounds you. For a truly magical moment, take your gondola ride at sunset when the city is bathed in a golden glow. Number 10. Rialto Market. Start your second day with a visit to the lively Rialto Market, where you can immerse yourself in the local culture. This bustling market has been a part of Venetian life for centuries and is known for its fresh seafood, colorful fruits, and local delicacies. Whether you're picking up some ingredients or just enjoying the atmosphere, the Rialto Market is a sensory feast. Before we continue, if you're looking for more inspiration for your European travels, don't forget to check out our blog at eurotriphacks.com. Because whether you're planning a short trip or a long adventure, our website has everything you need to make your next vacation unforgettable. Day 2. Discovering Venice's art and culture. Number 11. Accademia Gallery. Gallery dell'Accademia. Dive into Venice's artistic heritage with a visit to the Accademia Gallery, home to masterpieces by Venetian artists such as Titian and Tintoretto. This world-renowned museum is a treasure trove of Renaissance art, and as you explore its halls, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for Venice's rich cultural history. Number 12. Peggy Guggenheim Collection. If modern art is more your style, head to the Peggy Guggenheim Collection, where you'll find works by Picasso, Dali, and Pollock. Located in a beautiful 18th century palace along the Grand Canal, this museum offers not only incredible art but also stunning views from its terrace. Number 13. Santa Maria della Salute. The Santa Maria della Salute Church is an architectural marvel with its grand Baroque design. Built as a dedication to the Virgin Mary for deliverance from the plague, this church is a symbol of Venice's resilience. Inside, you'll find stunning artwork and a peaceful place to reflect on your Venetian journey. Number 14. Punta della Dogana. For one of the best views in Venice, visit Punta della Dogana, where contemporary art meets scenic beauty. Located at the tip of the Dorsoduro district, this museum offers a striking contrast between Venice's historical charm and modern creativity. Be sure to take a moment to enjoy the panoramic views of the Grand Canal and St. Mark's Square. Number 15. La Fenice Opera House. Teatro La Fenice. For lovers of the performing arts, La Fenice Opera House is a must-visit. This historic theater has hosted some of the world's most renowned operas and concerts. Even if you're not attending a performance, a guided tour of the theater will let you admire its opulent interiors, stunning frescoes, and grand chandelier. It's a glimpse into Venice's rich cultural past and a treat for your eyes and ears alike. Number 16. Bano Island. Just a short Vaporetto ride away, Morano is known for its brightly colored houses and lace-making tradition. This island feels like a different world from Venice's main attractions, offering a slower pace and charming streets perfect for a leisurely stroll. While you're there, stop at a local bakery and try the traditional Morano cookie called busalai. Number 17. Morano Glass Factory Tour. Another nearby island worth visiting is Morano, famous for its glass-making tradition. A Morano glass factory tour gives you the chance to watch master artisans at work, creating stunning glass pieces from scratch. After the tour, don't forget to check out the showroom where you can buy unique Venetian glass as a souvenir. Number 18. Libreria Aqua Alta. Looking for something quirky? Libreria Aqua Alta is one of the world's most unique bookstores. Here, books are stored in gondolas and bathtubs to protect them from Venice's frequent flooding. It's a fun and unusual spot for book lovers, and there's even a staircase made entirely of books. Number 19. Basilica di Santa Maria Gloriosa dei Frari. One of the most significant Gothic churches in Venice, the Basilica di Santa Maria Gloriosa dei Frari is home to Titian's masterpiece, Assumption of the Virgin. The peaceful atmosphere inside the basilica is the perfect escape from the busy streets, offering a moment to reflect and admire some of Venice's greatest works of art. Number 20. Sunset at the Zat Prominade. End your trip with a leisurely walk along the Zat Prominade. As the sun sets over the Venetian lagoon, you'll find yourself surrounded by locals and tourists alike, enjoying the evening. It's the perfect place to reflect on your time in Venice, sip on a glass of wine, and take in the city's beauty one last time. We hope this guide has inspired you to make the most of your 2-day trip to Venice. Remember, for more travel tips, hacks, and guides, visit eurotriphacks.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching and happy travels!